An output type of question based on pointers. Step 1. Memory should be allocated for the global variables. So above the main function and outside all functions there are no variables. So this program does not contain a global variable. Execution of a C++ program starts here. PER is the name of a class you can see. So certainly P1 is an object of this class. If an object is encountered, two things are there to be done. One, memory should be allocated for this object. You can allocate memory like this: name, content and some address. Now this content area is divided into two parts because this class consists of two data members, data member 1 and data member 2. So divided into two parts. The name of the first part is the name of the object dot member 1. So p1 dot n. And the name of the second part is p1.a. So here memory is allocated for the object p1. After that, the corresponding constructor must be called. Here two arguments are there. So this two argument constructor will be called. This is a constructor because a member function with the same name as that of a class is known as constructor. So after allocating memory for p1, control comes here. Now the first argument is passed to first parameter. So new point. How do you assign a string constant to a pointer variable? The method is the string should be stored in some memory location like this, and the base address of the memory location, example 1, that comes in the pointer variable s. So your pointer variable s contains 1. Now the second argument should be passed to second parameter. So now your a1 contains 27.5. Now after this, control comes inside. Here n is the name of an array. Moreover, it's a data member. Inside a constructor, programmer will write only name of the data member. Compiler automatically takes this as the name of the object for which the constructor was called .n. So this is automatically taken as p1.n, and p1.n is the name of an array. If you simply write the name of the array, you get the base address, example 1000. So here you get 1000. Now your pointer variable s contains 1. So string copy 1000, 1. The meaning is the second argument is copied to first argument, that is 1 is copied to 1000, that is string present at memory location 1 is copied to memory location 1000. So string present at memory location 1 is this one. This is copied to memory location n, which means here the string comes. Now a is the name of a data member. Inside a constructor, programmer will write only name of the data member. Compiler automatically takes this as the name of the object for which the constructor was called .a. So this is automatically taken as p1.a, and a1 is 27.5. So your p1.a contains 27.5. Now constructor completely executed. After executing a constructor, control returns to the point from where the constructor was called. When the control comes back here, names s and a1 does not exist. So these names does not exist. Now P2 is an object of a class. How did you understand that? This is the name of the class. So certainly this is object of a class. When an object is encountered, two things are there to be done. One, memory should be allocated for P2. Name, content, some address. Now this content area is divided into two parts because this class consists of two data members n and a. So divided into two parts. The first one p2.n and the second one p2.a. So here memory is allocated for P2. After that, the corresponding constructor, a two argument constructor will be called, and this is the two argument constructor. So from here, the control reaches here. Now, the first argument is passed to first parameter. RJU is a string constant. This is a pointer variable. So how do you assign a string constant to a pointer variable? The method is the string constant should be stored in some memory location like this, and the base address of the memory location, example 10, that comes in the pointer variable s. So now your s contains 10. Now 53 is passed to A1. So your A1 contains 53.0. Now inside the constructor, n is the name of a data member. So this time it must be taken as p2.n. And what is p2.n? It's the name of an array. If you simply write the name of the array, you get the base address 2000. So here you get 2000. And what is s? Your s contains 10. So what the string copy function does is the second argument is copied to first argument, that is 10 is copied to 2000. That is, the string present at memory location 10 is copied to memory location 2000. That is, this string is copied to this memory location. Now A is the name of a data member, so it must be taken as p2.a. So your p2.a contains A1 53.0. So this one contains 53.0. Constructor executed. Control returns to the point from where the constructor was called. When the control comes back here, names s and A1 does not exist. Now in a similar way you can do it for P3. First memory is allocated. This initial value comes here and this initial value comes here. In a similar way you can do it for P. Memory is allocated. This initial value comes here and this one comes here. So this statement completely executed. Now after that, control goes to next line. I told you, if this symbol is there, understand that it is a function. On encountering a function call, finally control reaches the point where the function is defined. So from here, finally the control comes here. What is this one? This is the return type of this function, and the meaning is an object of this class is returned as reference by this function. The meaning of this one, an object of this class is returned as reference by this function. Anyway, from here, finally the control comes here and P3 is passed to X. Because of this ampersand sign, X is a reference variable. So X is another name for P3. So this P3 gets one more name, that is X. Now after that, what is x dot a? It is 40. What is a? Inside a member function, programmer will write only name of the data member. Compiler automatically takes this as the name of the object with which the member function was called dot a. So this member function was called using p1. So this is taken as p1 dot a. So what is p1 dot a? 27.5. This is 40. This is 27.5. So 40 greater than or equal to 27.5. Condition true. So x is returned as answer, and to where the answer is returned to the point from where the function was called. So here x comes, that is assigned to p. So now your p contains x, which means your p contains this quantity. So the first one comes in the first memory location and the second one comes in the second memory location. Now finally when the control comes here, don't forget the name x does not exist. So this name does not exist. Now again, next line. This symbol is the function. On encountering a function call, finally control reaches the point where the function is defined. Now this is a data member. So inside a member function, programmer will write only name of the data member. Compiler automatically takes this as the name of the object with which the member function was called dot n. So this is p dot n, this is p dot a. And what is p dot n? KLU. So in the computer's monitor you get KLU followed by space P dot A. What is P dot A? 40.0. And because of this end L, the cursor goes to next line. After executing a function, control returns to the point from where the function was called. So control comes back here. Nothing more to be done. So it goes to next line. Again, this symbol is the function. So from here, the control reaches this point. Now, the first argument is passed into first parameter, ampersand sign is there, this is a reference variable, so x is another name for P3. So this P3 gets one more name x. Now, what is x dot a? 40. How this a should be taken? Function was called using P2. So this is P2 dot a, and what is P2 dot a? 53. So here, 40 greater than or equal to 53, condition wrong, control goes to else part. What is this? This pointer contains the address of the object with which a member function was called. So the member function was called using P2. So this pointer contains address of P2, that is 2000. So what is star 2000? Content of 2000, which is P2, because 2000 is the address of P2. So star 2000 will be content of 2000, that is P2. So here you get P2. Now return P2 to where P2 is returned, to the point from where the function was called. So here you get P2, that is assigned to P. So this P2 comes in P, meaning the first one comes in the first memory location and the second one comes in the second memory location. You can see. Now, finally, when the control comes here, don't forget the name x does not exist. So this name does not exist. After that, this one. This symbol is the function. So from here, the control comes here. This must be taken as the function was called using P. So P dot n, P dot a. What is P dot n? RGU, space. What is P dot a? 53.0. And because of this end L, the cursor goes to next line. After executing this, control returns to this point, and finally the program terminates here. So for this program, this is the output.